This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you know the device passcode because you will authenticate immediately. Once ready, open Settings and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your code. You do this to access the toggles that control how Touch ID is used so you can disable specific features rather than deleting everything. Make sure to note which features you want disabled. This prevents accidental loss of conveniences like Apple Pay. Now move to the list of options and get ready to flip the switches off. You now turn off the specific toggles: iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and Password Autofill, so Touch ID stops authenticating those tasks. Next, tap each listed fingerprint and choose Remove. This deletes the stored biometric data from the device, which is why you authenticated earlier. Once done, the device will require your passcode for those actions. Make sure to remove all prints if your goal is full disablement, and give the system a moment to register each removal before you finish by locking the device and trying common actions, unlocking App Store purchases, Apple Pay to verify Touch ID no longer authenticates. If a toggle appears unchanged, restart the phone and check again because restarts often finalize system setting updates. If problems persist, update iOS or use Reset All settings. This preserves data while restoring system preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: if Touch ID still activates, remove all fingerprints, restart, and recheck toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.